Okay, here's a second example, and this is going to be a little bit trickier because we're going to be using some negatives. So if you have a phone or your calculator or your computer, whatever you're using, make sure that you understand where the negative button is and that it might be different than the subtraction button depending on your calculator. So the same idea here, we're going to split this problem down the middle through the equal sign. Our job is to get our y by itself. So the first thing I have to do is get rid of this minus 9, which means I'm going to add 9 to each side. The whole point of that is negative 9 plus 9 is 0. They cancel out. The negative 2y is on the left side, and then over here it's negative 13 plus 9, which is going to give us negative 4. If I really needed to do this and did not have a calculator, I could say, okay, I have 13 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 negatives, and 9 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 positives. And I can see that I have 9 zero pairs that cancel each other out, and there are 4 negatives left over. To finish this, it's negative 2 times y equals negative 4, so I have to divide each side by negative 2. And this is where paying attention to your details really matters, because the problem is negative 4 divided by negative 2. Negative divided by a negative is a positive, so y equals positive 2. Okay, on your own, here are 3 problems. Go ahead and pause the screen and complete these 3 problems, and when you're ready to go over them, unpause it. Okay, starting with the problem on the left because it's probably the easiest here. We'll start by taking 3 away, and let me go ahead and box the original problem just so that everybody has it. The first thing we're going to do is take 3 away from each side. That leaves us with 5b equals 15. We'll divide each side by 5 and we'll get b equals 3. The second problem, this is where I wanted to make sure everyone paid close attention on the last example in the very beginning. We take 6 away from each side, and that leaves us with w divided by 2 equals 4. From there, because the inverse of this step, w divided by 2, is multiplication. So to undo that, we'll multiply each side by 2. 4 times 2 gives us 8. And in the third box, we'll add 4 to each side. We'll get 3j equals 18. 18 divided by 3, we get j equals 6. Here is the exit ticket. You can try this and put your answer in the discussion board and go to Canvas for your assignment.